welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Thank you for your love, for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you that have really supported my channel, that have brought me this far here on YouTube. I actually don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, if you are new to the channel, you are highly and very welcome. If you have not subscribed, please, I would appreciate if you hit on the subscribe button. It actually takes nothing for you. It actually takes nothing for you to hit on that button. Please just subscribe. Okay, and then hit on the bell also on the side to get an update whenever I upload a new video. That's actually the essence of hitting on that bell. And if you want to register for our online classes, you can see my number scrolling through the screen. Just send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll give you the details of the classes we have available. Please, if you find this video helpful, please, I would appreciate if you hit on the like button. I would appreciate if you would do that for me. Please just hit on the like button, and then you can follow me on all of my social media platforms: Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, all at Stylish Naija. Okay, now so let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually make this fancy design. So you can see the picture showed to you earlier on. It is a beautiful design. You can actually adapt it. You can use it on the top, you can use it as your sleeve, you can use it for a skirt, you can actually use it for various things. So that's what we are going to be learning how to do today. And then I have the fabric that I'm going to be making use of here. This is a very light fabric. It's like a chiffon, but it's not a chiffon. You can make use of satin, you can make use of organza, you can make use of light fabric for this kind of designs. Okay, so as you're watching this video, you are going to see a join button on the screen. So you can just click on that join button and then see the details of what we have available. So that's just like a way for you to support my channel. So that's the essence of that join button. So I'm just going to fold out my fabric and then adjust my camera so you can see the table clearly, and then we'll begin. Okay guys, so if you notice the design, you notice that it actually is not stitched on the middle part. So what we're going to do, you're going to cut out as much fabric as you want. So it depends on how much puff you want. And then for this, we're going to fold on bias. So I'm going to fold it on bias, and then I'm going to cut out what I want. So you can see how I folded on bias, and then I'm going to measure. So it depends on how big. So that is what will determine your puff. So I'm going to use 6 inches. So I can fold it on, I can use 1 inch to, so I'm just going to run it through this entire fabric like this. And then I will cut this off. So I'm not really using any actual measurement. So you notice that it is not straight. So I've cut that out. I'm going to take my remaining fabric and then I will fold again on bias like this also. So you notice that it is not straight, because if it is straight, you will not be able to really achieve what you want to achieve. And then I'm going to measure it again to be 6 inches and make sure that I have my 6 inches, and then I will cut out again. So I just cut as much as my fabric can take. I'll cut this, and then what I have here on bias again, I'll just keep doing that until I exhaust all of my fabric. Okay guys, so I finished cutting all of my pieces together. So you can see them. I have about 5 pieces here. So the next thing now, we're going to start ruffling them up. So to ruffle them up, I would advise for you to make use of a needle and a thread. So you can decide to sew the side, that's close the side first before you actually start doing that. So use a needle and thread so you'll be able to control it properly. So you can decide to stitch it, close it down first before you do that also. So you just keep putting them. You can see I'm just running, like doing like a running stitch. So you can see what I have. So I'll just keep passing it until I'll get to the end. So I hope you can see it. I'm just trying to move as close as I can to the camera. So just do a running stitch so you can see how it is looking beautiful, like what we have on the picture already. Just keep passing it through like that. Okay, so once I get to the end, so you can see how beautiful it is looking already, right? You can see. So I'm just going to continue. I'll ruffle all of them up like this, all of them. So once I get, so that is why you see it is good for you to close this part. You can see because I did not close this part, you see how it is open. So it's good for you to close them so you will not have any loose ends. So I'll just continue with the other ones just like this. So when we are done, I'll show you how to stitch all of them together again. So just ruffle as much as you have, ruffle them all together. Okay, so you can see, so this is the second one. So I've ruffled it up with my needle and thread, and then you can see it is looking like what we have there, right? So this one was that first one that I did not stitch the edge, so you can see it is causing confusion here. So but all of the other ones have stitched their edges together, so to make it easier. So I'm just going to leave this, and then these ones I'll ruffle them separately also. Okay guys, so you can see, so this is the second one. So you can see how this one is really looking beautiful, everything covered well. So this was that first one that we did. So if you want to add them, if you want to use them, so you can just do them in different bunch or bundle, whatever you call that. You can just place them together like that, and then you can fix them on your dresses, you can fix them on your sleeve, you can fix them however you want them. So you can see how it is looking really lovely and beautiful. So thank you so much. I've now come to the end of this tutorial. If you find this helpful, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye. And come, I can raise them up because